In today's video, we're going to be discussing if the Insta360 GO 3 is worth the price. Let's get into it. One of the things that they're really proud of is their stabilization. And let me put that to the test by running like a maniac. So let's run and see how's the stabilization. You let me know. Is it good? It should be pretty smooth according to them. I am not the best runner and this is shaking a lot. But yeah, how's the stabilization? How's the HDR recording, by the way? Is it good enough? Because like I'm in a pretty sunny environment at the moment. And yeah, I'm out of breath. As you can see, I'm not in shape. And people are looking at me. The things that I do for YouTube. Subscribe. And from my experience, it is a pretty decent stabilization for such a tiny camera. So the best thing about this is called remote control. You take the camera outside of its case, but you still see what's going on, although they're not connected to each other. And you can control the camera, you can record from it, and yeah, the camera just can be anywhere you want. So the third thing that I love about this brand is that unlike other brands, GoPro, they include a lot of the accessories in the box. One of the things that they include is this little hat mount, and also I'm wearing a little necklace thing beneath my shirt. What you do is that you basically take the camera out of its place. With the hat mount part, it's magnets, just straps in. So simple and so easy. You can basically press record and just like look around, and it's as simple as this. And you still get amazing shots with great stabilization. And the second accessory is that you can basically attach it to yourself via the necklace that I just showed you. This is more stable than the hat one. You know what? Let's do a stabilization test now with the hat and the shirt. I'm gonna be running around like an idiot again. Let's go. So let me know, how is the stabilization test with, this is the shirt stabilization, and I'm just running around like a maniac for the camera. Okay, now let's do the hat stabilization. I'm out of breath. Let's do the hat stabilization. The hat stabilization is so good because it basically captures what you're looking at, because whenever you turn your head around, it's showing what your head is seeing, and the chest one is showing what your chest is seeing. They also have this thing called free frame video. You basically can start shooting whatever you like, and then afterwards you can edit it to a different aspect ratio, which is amazing, because how many times that I have shot an unboxing video in a 16:9 aspect ratio, and then I have tried to put it on TikTok and it's too zoomed in. Well, what this does is that you can go into the Insta360 app and later on decide if you want it to be an Instagram Reels video, a TikTok, or a YouTube video. From my experience, they also have good microphone quality. I'm not gonna say it's as good as this DJI microphone that I'm using, but when it comes to the microphone test, they claim that you can use it for vlogging, and it should be good. I would say when it's too windy, it's not the best, but like right now it's moderate windy. You let me know, is it good enough? How is the sound quality? Would you say you would use this as your daily vlogging camera? I wouldn't. I would just use it for some POV shots, which I can just put it on my hat or on my chest and just record it. When it comes to its battery life, you get 45 minutes on the camera itself, 170 minutes plus when it goes inside of the case. This is exactly the same scenario as AirPods will be, So they would give you like 5 hours on their own. And whenever they go back inside of the case, it's charging again. This is really good because whenever the camera is running out of battery, I can just pop it back in its case. It starts charging, plus it can record longer. I don't know if this counts as a feature, but it's only 35 grams. That's so tiny and so light and so portable. I love it. When it comes to the video resolution, so this little guy can record up to 2.7K 30 frames per second. It also can do 120 FPS slow motion in 1080p. And let me show you a glorious slow motion of me running in 1080p. Let's go. I'm back from running. Give me a second and I tell you if you should buy one or not. Before that, please make sure you subscribe so I can quit my 9 to 5. You know the drill. You know the merch that will come later on. Subscribe so I can quit my 9 to 5. Okay, so now that I have my breath back, should you be buying one of these? Yes, 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 yes. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. The accessories that are included are amazing. The video quality is amazing. The microphone is amazing. Just need to mention one downside that it kinda annoyed me a lot. If you want to transfer your videos to a device, you have to use their app. I don't know why, but you cannot transfer it through the USB-C, which is kinda annoying because you would be recording 2.7K resolution videos and they're like gigabytes. They're like 5 or 6 gigabytes per video, at least in my case. And when I want to transfer it, like the transfer rate is fine, but I'd rather just plug it into a computer and just transfer it directly. Besides that, I've had no issue with this. When it comes to night videography, I don't think any of these action cameras are designed for nighttime videography. But yeah, tiny but compact. As my girlfriend would call it, above average.